Hello everyone and welcome to from Pithala Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and staple food from Maharashtra. This is called Pithala Bhakri Thecha. Pithala is a curry made from Besan and Bhakri is a roti made from Jowar. Also Thecha is a chutney which is spicy and gives a tang to this dish. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखियो चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first let's make the thecha. For that in a pan heat 1 teaspoon of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 tablespoons of peanuts. Roast for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 12 to 14 cloves of garlic and 6 to 7 green chillies. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Finally add handful of coriander leaves and give it a mix. Allow it to cool down a little and then transfer it to a mortar. Now crush everything well. Add half teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. So our spicy and tangy thecha is ready now. So this is so tikhat as you say in Maharashtra, means this is so spicy but it is very delicious. So do try it out yourselves. Now let's prepare the pitla. For that in a mortar take 4 green chillies, 10 to 12 cloves of garlic and crush them well. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. Now in a separate bowl take half cup of besan or gram flour. To that add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt and half cup of water. Mix everything well. Add 1.5 cup more water and give it a mix. Keep it aside. Now in a pan heat 2 tablespoons of oil. To that add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. After this splutter, add half teaspoon of hing and 2 chopped onions. I have finely chopped the onions here. Saute the onions till they turn translucent. Now add the crushed garlic and green chillies and 8 to 10 curry leaves. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the besan mixture that we prepared earlier. Also add 1 more cup of water. Mix well and cook. Add more salt and turmeric powder if needed. Mix and cook it till it thickens a little. Our mixture has thickened a bit now. Cover and cook on low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. So our pitla is perfectly cooked now. Finally add handful of coriander leaves and mix well. And our zanjanit, that is spicy pitla, is ready. Now let's move to the bhakri preparation. For that in a bowl take 1.5 cup of jowar peat or sorghum flour. To that add half teaspoon of salt. Gradually add water and knead into a semi-soft moist dough. As this doesn't have much gluten, it's hard to knead this dough. So you need to knead it for more than 5 to 7 minutes. After that sprinkle flour on the chakla and take a ball of dough and smoothen it out. Now add a bit of flour on top. Start applying light pressure on it to flatten it out. So making jawariche bhakri is a bit difficult because it starts breaking at the sides. So this was my first time making it, so this was not perfect but it's still good. Now transfer it onto a hot tawa and sprinkle a little water on top. Cook till the top looks a little dry. After that flip and cook from both sides. So we need to cook it till charred marks appear on both sides of the bhakri. You can also make it with whole wheat flour, or also you can add some whole wheat flour while making the dough. After that cook it on open flame like so. And our bhakri is ready. So serve hot garma garam pitla with bhakri with onion and chilies on the side. Also do not forget to add the thecha on the side because that adds a delicious and amazing zing to this dish. So our delicious Pithala Bhakri and Thecha is ready. So in Sihagarh this is mostly famous. Also in overall Maharashtra this is a staple food as it is made in every Maharashtrian household. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.